hi guys. I was just admiring the car and all the new mods we added to it. It's so hard to not look at it when you just park it. So anyway, let's go over what we've added to the car, because we've added quite a few things. So let's start with the racing stripe. As you can see, straight line design, black and white theme, makes it look like a race car, matches with the wing in the back. I like it. Cheapest one on Amazon, $18. We've got front canards also right here, made out of high quality rigid plastic, so they are actually functional. They are 3M taped on, and I also have black screws in there. These are tapping screws, so they're not coming off in the freeway. If you come closer here, you'll see they're bolted in there. So you'll see right here, one, and then one down here on the bottom, and then another right here. So these screws are also fastening the canards into the bumper to provide downforce at the front. Right there again, we see it. Here's the back angle, and those are the screws holding it in. Racing stripes right there. So little by little, this car is turning into that race car look, much more aggressive than your typical E93 convertible. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Appreciate you watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.